but both are downward sloping. Both are downward sloping. But what is the difference between AR and MR? AR curve is more flatter as compared to MR. As compared to MR, because falling rate of MR is double. Falling rate of MR is double than the falling rate of AR. So I hope all of you have understood. Means revenue curves under imperfect competition. See, now we have discussed revenue curves. Revenue curves means revenue, or you can say average revenue curves and marginal revenue curves under imperfect competition market. When we have discussed average revenue curve and marginal revenue curve under imperfect competition market. But after this means we are going to discuss total revenue curve under imperfect competition market. So first of all, please pause the video and note down this. See, now we will put the value of TR with the value of output. See, at first output sold unit, or you can say at the first unit of output sold, means value of TR is 10. Value of TR is 10. At 2 unit, value of TR is 18. 18 will be here. At 3, 24. 24. At 4, 28. 28. At 5, 30. 30. 30 will be here. At 6, 30. Again 30. At 7th unit, 28. 28. At 8th unit, value of TR is 24. 24 will be here. Now, please join these points. TR. Now, this is TR curve. This is a TR curve, means this is inversely U-shaped. TR curve is inversely U-shaped. U-shaped in imperfect competition market. TR curve is inversely U-shaped in imperfect competition market. So please remember, AR curve is downward sloping in imperfect competition market. MR curve is downward sloping in imperfect competition market, and TR curve is inversely U-shaped in imperfect competition market. And imperfect competition is a market in which price falls with the rising output. Price falls with the rising output. So I hope all of you have understood, or we can say, as you know that we have discussed revenue curves under perfect competition market and revenue curves under imperfect competition market. Now after this we are going to compare. Revenue curves under perfect competition market and revenue curves under imperfect competition market. So first of all, please pause the video and note down this. But listen, my dear students, means how will you explain AR curve, TR curve and MR curve in imperfect competition market? So first of all, please pause the video. Then after we will learn, or you can say we will try to learn how will you explain. You can say how can we explain AR curve, TR curve and MR curve. See, you know that this is AR and this is MR. Means shape of AR and MR in imperfect competition will be like this. You know that. See, but how will you explain AR curve? AR curve under imperfect competition market is downward sloping. Is downward sloping. Is downward sloping because a firm is able to sell any quantity of a commodity by reducing price only. By reducing price only. So AR falls but remains positive. AR falls but remains positive. So I hope this is clear. See next, MR curve. MR curve under imperfect competition market is also downward sloping. Because, or you can say and it lies below the AR curve, because revenue from the sale of additional unit revenue from the sale of additional unit goes on decreasing, or you can say revenue from the sale of additional unit falls. You can falls, and MR is positive. 0 and negative. So this is the explanation of explanation about MR curve, and this is the explanation about AR curve. So please pause the video and note down this. See after this, TR curve. You know that what is the shape of TR curve under imperfect competition will be like this. Now TR curve under imperfect competition market is inversely U-shaped because it initially increases, then reaches at its maximum point. maximum point, and finally starts diminishing due to change in MR. Due to change in MR, because see here, when MR is positive, TR increases. When MR becomes zero, TR reaches at its maximum point. When MR becomes negative, TR starts diminishing. Because you know that MR, because MR measures the slope of TR. So I hope all of you have understood how will you explain TR curve in imperfect competition market. So please pause the video and note down this.